Ayan po guys, pasok tayo dito guys. Dahil kukunin po natin yung sapat, yung pinagawang salamin ng aking asawa po guys. Ayan. Ang daming mga ano dito guys. Ayan. Ito po. Ayan yung ano natin guys. Yeah. Ayan po guys. Yung pinagawang ano natin. Saan dito na lang sana ako napagawa ng shade ko, no?
Hello. Where are the classes? Okay. For far. Clear. Yeah? Okay. Wait.
Ayan po, kasi nagpagawa po kasi ng salamin po yung asawa ko guys.
For reading. No, not like this. See? Like this. See. Only like this. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
What's that? Parang
Power?
the vision. That one and that other side.
Totally
Left and
different.
right. Different?
Different. Okay. See clear?
Can you testing mo na?
Ayan po guys. Ayan.